What's up everyone, Citizen Kev here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your oil on a motorcycle. Alright guys, so I have a FZ6R. It's a 2009, so it's an older bike. As you can tell, like I haven't really ridden it in a long time, so I mean it's literally been sitting for about a year now. It has cobwebs and everything like that. We kind of already took off the little screw, but there's a nut here that you have to take off so that all your oil will drain out. As you can see, mine is really gross and bad looking. I don't know if that's just because it's been sitting a long time or just because I probably haven't changed it in a really long time. But today I have my big little brother helping me out. My dad giving us instruction. And yeah, hopefully we can get this done kind of quick. It'll probably take us about a good 30 minutes, but obviously I'm gonna cut through on certain things just so it doesn't, you guys aren't sitting here for forever. This is a look at the bike. I like to call it Yellow Jacket.
Alright guys, so as I said, step one was actually just releasing the screw so that the oil would drain out. Right now, Citizen Mike is actually unloosing the fairing so we can get behind the left side fairing and then get to the oil canister. Hopefully he doesn't drop the screw in the oil. We were thinking about it, we were like, man, we probably should have taken this off before starting to drain it, but it is what it is. So we realized that the filter that's on there, the oil filter that's on there right now, is not a K&N filter. So normally, if you have a K&N filter, you can just do this piece right here, and that's the oil filter, and you would just be able to kind of screw it out. And really, you would only have to release this one fairing. But unfortunately, since we don't have a K&N filter on there, that's what we're about to put on there. But you actually have to release this one too, so that you can pull it even farther out and get our hands around that oil filter. It's really tough whenever you're trying to take this thing off, especially if you don't have a filter wrench or anything. But basically I had to jury rig it with using something like this.
He wants dots.
You're in it. Yeah, dots, yeah. All right, everyone, so the difference between what we just took out and the K&N filter is, see this right here? That will make a world of difference whenever it comes to actually trying to screw it out of there. This one, you actually have to kind of get your hand around, or if you had an oil filter wrench, then it would make it easier to get out, but this is just way better. Thank you, K&N. So after taking out the filter, letting everything drain, go ahead and wipe some of this surface off, guys, just so you have a clean surface to work with and everything. Then you're going to take some of the oil, some of the new oil, you're going to put some oil around the rim and then a little bit in there. This way the seal is really good. That worked. Now the filter is good to go to be put back onto the bike. So it may take a few moments to kind of get used to where it goes. So we got that screwed in, guys. Next we got to do this other one down here. All right, after getting everything back on, yeah, you can see all the beauty marks, all the scratches. It's been a few years now, but like I fell down because of a texting and driving driver. I actually went down on Highway 75 down here in front of downtown Dallas, actually, on Christmas Eve. Like I had to get my lights replaced. I replaced all my gear, like my helmet, boots. As you guys can see, it like filed this super clean because it all slid on one side of the bike. Thank the Lord, I survived. So after draining everything and putting everything back, then you're just gonna fill your thing back up with oil. You should do about 3 quarts of oil if you replace the filter too. If you didn't replace the filter, I think it's 2 quarts, but don't hold me to that. I am not a mechanic. I would suggest at least doing probably like 3 though, honestly. I'm doing Mobil 1 10W40. This is a fully synthetic oil. You can do other kinds, but I just wanted to go with Mobil 1 because I trust it. All right, everyone, after filling up your oil in here, go ahead and check right here, stick your oil in there. I've already like cleaned it off and I've taken it out, but basically you're just gonna take this out and you wanna check to see if this focuses. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. See if it looks clean, if it registers, like if it's all the way up towards the top line. But yeah, no, it's a successful oil change. Your oil should be a nice honey color for the most part, as opposed to that. Treat your bike good, guys, and don't do what I did, because that's gross right there. Oh, so in the comment section, please let me know, which bike do you guys like more? Do you like Yellow Jacket? We don't have a name for this one yet that I know of. Dad, do you have a name for your bike?
No.
And no name for this bike, but this is a Honda VTX 1800. So it's a beast of a bike. This is my brother's, and this is mine. The silver one was my dad's. Mine and my brother's are only 600s. His is a 1800, so I mean, that's a lot of bike. But let me know which ones y'all like more. Obviously, mine has cobwebs and dust and stuff all over, so don't judge it too much. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this on how to do various things. Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, guys, don't forget to do good, be good, and feel good. I'll catch y'all later.